Hello everyone, this is Guru Prasan K from 3D Fully Design.
These are the pictures of roll of brass sheet. Roll of brass sheet. Here I would like to explore this in 3D. The material of construction is metal brass. Some more real pictures of roll of brass sheet in different angles. A small video clip of real roll of brass sheet. Because this is a roll of brass sheet, let's look at definition and principle of metal rolling. Here you could see the reference pictures for metal rolling. Approx overall dimensions in mm of the roll of brass sheet. Material brass 0.0 mm thick sheet. OD 470, ID 350, length 625 and approx number of sheet revolutions 58 to 62. A short description for metal brass. It is an alloy that primarily consists of copper and zinc, and then important mechanical properties of brass. Pre-visualizing the final 3D design with the real picture. Pre-visualizing the final 3D design with the real picture. First and foremost, on the front plane, let's draw two concentric circles, a regular circle of dia 350 and a construction circle of dia 470. Then I would like to make spiral shape from the two concentric circles. A mathematical description and definition for a spiral shape. Some reference pictures for spiral shape. Then I made the spiral with 1 mm pitch, 59.75 revolutions by starting clockwise. The completed spiral, which matches OD of 470 and ID of 350. Then I have created a new reference plane at an offset distance of 625 mm from the front plane. Then let's convert the spiral into a sketch exactly where it is on the front plane. Then copied the same sketch parallelly onto 625 mm offset back plane. The completed two parallel sketches with black and green color. By using a sheet metal tool, let's form the roll of brass sheet by connecting two parallel sketches with a thickness of 0.8 mm. The created roll of brass sheet in 3D. A reference picture for general roll of metal sheet. The calculated mass is about 460 kg. Let's check the flattened state of this roll of brass sheet. The calculated flattened length is about 77 meters. And ultimately, the 2D detailing is here with 4 main views. But flattened view is very long and not fitting in the sheet because of its 77 meter length. Let's use a tool, break view, to break it and fit inside the sheet. Here you could see the broken flattened view which perfectly fits in the sheet. My 3D certifications. I do 2D and 3D workshops for students. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.